everyone. Hope you all doing well. I'm making this video as a second part of the review. Those who are watching this are recommended to watch the first part. Here in this video, I'll be covering my ride experience to Bonmudi, then the accessories I have added, then about the paint quality, Tripper Navigator, and the mileage. So let's get into these topics. About the ride to Bonmudi, it's a sudden plan, and from my home it's around 80 kilometers. I begin by 1 p.m. and arrived around 3 p.m. It's a 2 hours ride. With the help of Tripper navigation, I was guided to this place. In between, due to my poor network connection, I think I was guided wrongly, or I might be confused with the indication. Anyways, after 2-3 kilometers, I was about to confirm with the local people, and one man helped me to return back to correct destination. So it's well advisable for everyone to do confirm if it's doubtful. I mean, if your path is doubtful. Also, I enjoyed this ride. I'm so excited to ride through 22 hairpin bends. I would say this mission gives more outstanding performance than expected. Here on the hilltops of Ponmudi, it's a bit cool and we can enjoy the landscape of magnificent mountains. There are more families and people enjoyed the moments. All of a sudden, sunlight disappeared, and around 5 to 6 p.m., the fog appeared, and my hands started freezing. So I returned. The one who are planning to visit this place must book their tickets online, so there will not be any big rush. So visit Kerala Ecotourism for your bookings. That's all about Ponmudi ride, and now I will be sharing about the accessories that I have added in my Himalayan. Now about the accessories, I have added a few accessories like the master cylinder guard. It's 700 rupees, and this one is reservoir cap. It's 800, and this one is a saddle stay. It's 3,800. This helps for long rides and to tight travel bags. And this is the compact engine guard. It's 1,450. And this is the seat cover for extra safety I have added. It's 400 rupees, and I have added this along with the original cover. And this is the tank cover. This helps to prevent from water leaking through this fuel cap. Also, you can keep your mobile or wallet or papers in this area. This cost around 200 rupees. About the paint quality, I suggest doing some protection coat like a PPF or ceramic coatings will prevent scratches. If not, this glossy area starts scratching like this image. I think matte finish won't affect like this. Now about the Tripper Navigator part, I would say it's a good feature they have added in BS6 2021 version. First of all, we have to learn all about the indications. Here I have added a few screenshots of the 48 type of directions. There are more different indications that confuse. Also, few common directions are also included. So I recommend you to go through the screenshots. the last part of the video. It's about mileage. So recently I have checked this, so I can say for normal rides it's around 29.4 to 30 kilometers. I haven't gone for long highway rides, so in the coming videos I will confirm that. I hope it will be around 35 to 38 kilometers. That's all about this video.